If you're looking to store and access passwords on your mobile device securely, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the best ways to manage your passwords, keeping them safe and easy to access. First off, let's start with why you need a reliable password manager. Storing passwords directly on your phone is risky, especially if they're not encrypted. Using a password manager is a much safer alternative. It not only stores your passwords securely, but also gives you easy access when needed, saving you the hassle of remembering complex passwords. Now let's dive into how you can set this up. The software we'll be using today is a trusted password manager that allows you to store and access passwords directly from your mobile device. I've tried several popular options, and this one is by far the easiest to set up and use. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial available just for you in the description below, so you can follow along. To get started, download the software and set up an account. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to add your first password. You can either add them manually or import from another service if you're switching. With everything encrypted, your data is safe even if your phone gets lost or stolen. Accessing your passwords is just as easy. Most password managers have an autofill feature, which means your app or website passwords are automatically filled in when you need them. This way, you won't have to constantly re-enter your passwords, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. Now let's talk about 2 essential security features. First, two-factor authentication, 2FA. Make sure you enable this to add an extra layer of security to your account. Second, use biometric login features like fingerprint or facial recognition, which are supported by most mobile password managers. These make accessing your passwords even quicker while ensuring they're safe. One more thing you should know. Most password managers allow you to sync across devices. This means you can store and access your passwords on both your mobile device and your computer, making it super convenient. Here's the key takeaway. When it comes to storing and accessing passwords on your mobile device, using a trusted password manager is essential for keeping your data secure. Make sure to enable 2FA and biometric logins for added protection, and don't forget to sync your passwords across devices for maximum convenience. To recap, download a password manager, enable all security features, and start storing your passwords in a safe and accessible way. Also, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the software we use today. That's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take advantage of that free trial.